Welcome to Unaka Gear Co. I'm Dan.
And I'm Brad.
Today we're going to show you guys how to install this awning on this van.
Check it out.
Alright, so your awning has arrived and it is not damaged, and the first thing we need to do is we need to get it out of the box. And in order to be successful, all you're going to need is a pair of scissors or your knife. In addition to the items that you receive from Fiamma, you'll also need to purchase the Unaka awning install kit. With this kit, you will receive 3 brackets and the hardware required to install them. If you'd like to purchase this, they are available in the link below. Outside of that kit and the things you receive from Fiamma, you will also need a basic set of tools, which we have linked in the description below, and you'll need to ask a friend or neighbor to come over and assist you with the installation. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to install the Fiamma bracket to the Unaka bracket, okay? And these two are going to go together like this, and the key to success here is that you ensure this long leg is facing down. Now, it can be installed like this if you need to add additional height, but typically we would install it like this, long leg facing down. What you'll do is you'll actually install your M6 carriage bolt in the face of the bracket here, like this, and then you will put a dab of anti-seize here with a 1/4 inch washer, the smaller of the 2 washers you receive right here, and then you will install a M6 lock nut on like this. Now, when it is finished, it will actually look just like this. Okay, so you'll notice the long leg is facing down, and the locking feature, or the feature that the awning actually hangs on, is this lip is facing up, and the awning will sit just like this. So we're going to go ahead and assemble all 3 of these now. Okay, now that you have your brackets fully assembled, the next thing we're going to do is we're actually going to install these on the roof rack. Now this is going to be a temporary installation because we're going to have to then remove them to actually drill a small hole in the awning, which we'll show you in just a minute. But you'll notice there are 2 different sizes. You have this size and this size. This size is intended to be used on either end. This size is intended to be used in the middle. So we're actually going to go up and install these now. One thing that you will notice when you go to install these brackets is that you will want to have your T-nuts already in position. So if you're installing your rack and you think that you're going to want an awning, you'll want to ensure that you have 2 of these in each bracket location. Now, if you purchase your awning at a later date, or you decide that you don't want to use the standard T-nuts, you can buy roll-in T-nuts. The roll-in T-nuts are a phenomenal time saver. They're also available on our website, and they allow you to simply drop them in the T-slot and go to work. We use these all the time to save us from having to disassemble the rack in order to install T-nuts. Now that we have our brackets installed on the rack for our layout, the next thing we're going to do is we're actually going to take the awning up to the rack, and we are going to set it on the brackets for our layout. Okay, so what we've done is we've actually marked the bracket position as it sits on the roof rack on the awning itself. And what that's going to allow us to do is it's going to allow us to position this, locate this bolt hole, and screw through the awning to install the M5 bolt that comes with your hardware kit. So ultimately it's going to look like this, and we're going to install a bolt in one of these bolt holes at the bottom. So now that we have the brackets laid out on the awning and secured in position with the 5mm bolt, we're now ready to put the awning on the van for final install. Now that your awning's installed, it's time for the final step.
Hey guys, welcome. My name is Brad.
And I'm Dan.
Action.
Hey guys, this is Unaka Gear Co. I'm Brad.
And I'm Dan.
I did not do that on purpose. Just keep it rolling. Here we go. Stand up. I literally said I'm Brad.